In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Bybit account using the mobile app. First, open the Bybit app on your phone. On the welcome screen, tap Login. Choose whether you want to sign in with your email address, mobile number, or a linked Google/Apple account, depending on how you registered. If you're using email or phone, type it into the first box, then enter your password in the second box. Make sure there are no extra spaces or typos, then tap the Login button. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, Bybit will now ask for a 6-digit code from Google Authenticator, SMS, or email. Open the app or message where you get your codes, copy the current code, and paste or type it into Bybit, then confirm. If you can't remember your password, just tap Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the steps to reset it before trying again. Once everything is correct, you'll be taken straight into the app home screen, where you can see your assets, markets, and trades. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.